Everlight Chemical embraces the biblical truth of love as the paramount management principle. Founded in 1972, making contributions to the humanity, continuous capital investments. Humble beginning with textile dyes, non-stop technology advancements, colorizing all aspects of life. Listed in Taiwan Stock Exchange since 1988, diversified into specialty chemicals, electronic chemicals, pharmaceutical chemicals and toners. Quality leadership, environmental initiatives, green chemistry, and circular economy. Green buildings and green factories. Intelligent manufacturing. Chemical safety. Advocating environmental-friendly products, and zero discharge of hazardous chemicals, ZDHC, movement. Strategic collaboration with global partners to maximize customer supports. Pursuing innovation and progress. Hundreds of patented world-leading key technologies. Customer-driven. High value-added solutions and products. With global presence, Everlight Chemical markets products internationally. Through professional services, customer success is ensured. Everlight Chemical holds a significant position in global supply chains. Attracting talents with business by integrity. Unleashing potentials with management by love. Sustained character-first education harvests high-performance teams. Commitment to corporate social responsibilities. Giving back to the community for the benefit of all. Chemistry by its miraculous nature creates infinite possibilities. Everlight Chemical contributes a better community and a sustainable future. Better chemistry, better life.